Welcome to Backup Data Part 1. Today we're going to back up the data with real-time reports. First we're going to run the stop report. Then we're going to save the report as a CSV file. Here we are underneath the report module on the real-time report tab. I'm going to run the stop report. I'm going to run the text report for all vehicles, except I'm going to remove Andrew and Catlin, as well as the demos holding down the control key, because these beacons were not available from the time I want to run the report. I am going to change the number of minutes that the report will show. Every 5-minute stop or more, the report will show. The time frame is going to be October 2009 for the entire month, so from the 1st to the 31st. And I go ahead and create the report. So again, once again, it's every 5 minutes for these vehicles here for the month of October 2009. It is in descending order, so the 31st will come in first, and then of course working its way back to the 1st. Here is the report, of course, with the color legend. We want to export this report, so we'll need to use the export button on the right hand side. So here we have the dialog box with an option to either open or save the file. I always encourage people to save the file no matter what browser you are using. Here today we are using Firefox. So I will say OK to save the file. Again, it gives me the power to rename the file, so I can actually again click at the beginning of the file name here and call it Fleet, because it's all the cars that I had on the reports at the time. And I'm going to go to the end here and change it to October 01 to October 31st. And then of course make sure I also change 2009. And click Save. So here, after the item is downloaded, we have a download window from the Firefox browser. I can right-click on the item we just downloaded, and we have an option to either open the item itself or open the containing folder. I will open the item, which of course will default to an XL application. As you can see, the CSV file, which stands for comma separated value, does not have a lot of formatting. And we have actually lost all the color coding which we've seen in the portal report. So here we have the stop report for the month of October 2009. If you want to find more about the comma separated value files, see our video on what is a CSV file. So I will now close off the stop report for the month of October 2009 for the entire fleet. When I do close it, it will ask me of course if I want to save, and when I say yes, it will warn me that this version is in CSV format, which again will not have much formatting at all. So now that I've backed up the fleet stops for October 2009, I can close off the download window, and if I want to run another month, I just go ahead and click cancel, and then I can proceed to run the next month. Thanks for watching How to Backup Data Part 1. If you have any questions, please email us at info@neroglobal.com.